this design is called Harlech. Now in 2016, I was really inspired by the trends that I was seeing coming out of Europe, specifically in Milan and Paris, and that was opulence and bold. So we decided to take earth tones as a backdrop, but really pump it up with an amazing little bit of glittery glam in these veins. It really brought to life Harlech. When you look at the design overall, there is a lot of veining going on. Now this is full slab, but you really need to look at the applications because you can see how it really comes to life when you start to intersect all of these, what I call kind of a steely, metallic, darker gray with all of these background colors that are going on. You have a hazelnut, you have a light gray, and some black pops of color that will complement any setting.